M. A City Searches for a Murderer from 1931, director Fritz Lang. It's his first sound movie. What does he do better than his predecessors? The car is not visible,
Aber ich höre es doch.
but the horn draws our attention to the fact that something happens outside of the scene. Fritz Lang and his wife von Habu develop another game changer. We've not seen the murderer yet, but we've heard his whistled tune. In our mind, we will connect the tune with the murderer. This stylistic device is called leitmotif and is used by directors ever since.